Hey guys, I got these fog lights to review, so let's open it up. Okay, in the box, you have literally everything that you need. So easy. So inside the bag here, you've got your zip ties, you've got double-sided tape, you've got your Allen wrench. You've also got your user's manual. It's going to show you all of your specifications for the 2 and the 4. Now, inside here, I have the 2-pack. This is also going to show you easy installation. This pack here has a 12,000 RPM cooling fan. The fan is going to evenly distribute the air so that these don't overheat. Now, these are an LED light, which means it's going to make a brighter view, a wider view, and these fog lights are perfect in rainy weather, cold weather, snowy, dusty, whatever kind of weather you're in, these LED lights are perfect. These also have a 50,000 hour lifespan on it, so you're not going to need to be changing these out repeatedly. Now, let's open these up. So these lights come with everything you need. It comes with your cooling pack here, and it comes with your plug already attached. When you insert this into the bulb area, all you're going to do is plug in the cord that's already there, and then you are going to use your zip ties to attach this right onto the area to keep it nice and cool. Now, it does come with the 2-pack, like I said, and this is going to work with over 95% of vehicles. So this is a great product, especially at night. It's going to offer you that clear white view instead of that hazy yellow. This is perfect. Go check it out, guys.